Okay, hello, Baltas Error Instruments. What do we have? Something nice. We have something new from Flame, from Germany, from Per. It's really cool. For me, this is one of a really good builder because he have his quality and also something that you miss in your setup that he make. Okay, what is it? It's a joystick memory, and everything in this word is already in the name of what this thing does. There are a lot of joystick models in the eurorack system, from Doepfer, Befaco, and a lot DIY more, but most of them are just controllers. It is actually a controller always, but this one is a memory controller. So you can a little bit mix this one with this one, as we know from sound machines, and of course we know the knob recorders from Flame that also work quite well. But it has a memory, so it's not a standalone live thing. You can really make banks and put more in there to save it. I actually just got it out of the box, so I'm not 100% sure how it works. But I always want to make a movie that somebody who don't read the manual just try it and see what he can do with it. Okay, I put it now. The X, it has a trigger output, X output and an I output. That's of course for this. And the trigger will also be used by that. I don't know yet. There is an offset. There is different of control voltage of 2 voltage, 5 voltage and 10 voltage. There's a safety and there's a hold. Okay, let's listen. I put it in the VCO from Pico, really small one with a lot of different sounds. It's in a kind of wavetable, so listen to the differences. You see nice LEDs. First I thought it was only switching, that there was no amount, but there is an amount because I listened to it and it depends how far you will go into it. There's a hold, then it stays in the control voltage that you put and you hold the hold. If the joystick go back, it stays in there, like this. Okay, now let's record a movement. If you listen to what I just, my movement was record of the joystick. Now I play a little bit also with the voltage that goes out, like 2 volt, 10 volt and 5 volt. There's a bank up here. It has, let's say, 8 different knobs. I don't know how it works. I think it works like this, but I'm not sure because I didn't read anything. Okay, let's use now some triggers and put something in elements instead of this one. We have an elements here of Olivier. Now I put the control voltage and it needs a gate. Maybe it also works on the trigger. Let's see. If we don't try, we don't know. I hear something a little bit here. Not really. put the gate in grids. Really interesting. Okay, so but the most differences you will of course hear just in a normal oscillator to listen to the differences in control voltage. Somehow it works now also as a sequencer, because you see the LEDs going like there, and it goes looping. So you really think, yeah, it's like more like a sequencer as a joystick controller, and because it's recording and looping back, so it's maybe a good name will be joystick sequencer. It has also some inputs like trigger, reset, and control voltage in memory. And there's a switch over here. I didn't check it yet what it is. Okay, thank you for watching. This was a small demo and only like just put it out of the box and put it in there. I like this model. I really, if you spend €100 for just a joystick controller, spend a little bit more for this one. You have a sequencer and a trigger out and so much more. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye.